Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have this single unboxing video for you guys. And this is a Matchbox from 2021. This is the 62 Mercedes-Benz 220SE, number 43 of 100 in this Matchbox Offroad series for 2021. You can take a good look at that artwork there. This card scored this at a Walmart around a week ago. GVX 53 is the number. 62 Mercedes-Benz 220SE. 2021 is the copyright. This is a 2021 casting. Let's get this out of the packaging. If I can, get a clean open, that would be nice. Alright, well, not too clean. Not really good at the matchboxes, but check this casting out. This thing is cool. This thing is really cool. Nice vehicle. We've got the black ring disc wheels on this one. This one's cool. It says Bilstein right there or something. Has that checkered design. 68 on the side. Mercedes-Benz. Just a cool casting. You can look at the tampos right there. There's the interior. Black interior. White roof. Love the color. It's like a nice blue color. It's like a rally car kind of, but I don't know why they put it in the off-road series. Plastic grille. All the blue is die-cast. Nice look at the vehicle there. There's the other side, 68, checkered design, no painted headlights. And there you are. Has a nice new Matchbox feel to it. Made in Thailand, Mercedes-Benz 220SE with a plastic base. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Give you one last look at it. '62 Mercedes-Benz 220SE. And there's the card. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.